Alright guys, this is what it looks like when it's all done. It was pretty easy dish to make, not hard at all. Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. This is your buddy Neil. Just got done with graveyard shift back home. I found this. It's from Trader Joe's. Chili onion crunch. It's all the people are going crazy over this thing on the internet, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make my version of cacio e pepe with this Trader Joe's chili onion crunch. Let's go. I'm gonna shave some pecorino romano. So this is going to be the order of things. Pasta going in first. I'm going to cook the pasta first. Then I'm going to add some more olive oil, garlic and herb butter. Then the star of the dish, chili onion crunch from Trader Joe's. French feta cheese. So we're gonna go with the pasta, olive oil, garlic and herb butter, chili onion crunch, feta cheese from France. Get some water. You save from the sauce. Put butter in there. Gonna add the pasta. Pecorino Romano cheese. Feta cheese, just crumble it right on top. Don't be afraid of it. It smells delicious. Beautiful French feta. And now, the star of the show, chili onion crunch from Trader Joe's. Gonna add that to it. Mix it up. So now you have only one thing to do. Try it. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna try this Trader Joe's chili onion pasta. Smells good. Smells really good. So Let's see. Spicy. Spicy level. Let me see. Oh, he has a good kick. It's got a good kick to it. 1 to 10, 7. Spicy level 7. This pasta's delicious. It's a delicious pasta dish, man. This Trader Joe's oh, it's so good. I'm really surprised how good this turned out. Oh, excuse me, my eye is burning. Touched my eye. I'm really surprised how good this pasta turned out. It's delicious. Just the right amount of spiciness. So good. If you like to make spicy pasta, get this thing from Trader Joe's, make it yourself. You're gonna have a fun time making it, and you're gonna have the delicious pasta dish. As always, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.